Hi, the topic which we are going to discuss now is the software attacks. An attack is an attempt by an unauthorized person to gain access to modify information, assume control of an unauthorized session, disrupt the availability of service to unauthorized users. Some types of software attacks are, the first one is the hacker attacks. I use the term hacker attacks to indicate the hacker attacks that are not automated by programs such as viruses, worms, or Trojan horse programs. There are various forms that exploit weakness in security. Many of these may cause loss of service or system crashes. Coming to IP spoofing, an attacker may fake their IP address so the receiver thinks it is sent from a location that is not actually found. There are various forms and results to this attack. The attack may be directed to a specific computer addressed as though it is from that same computer. This may make the computer think that it is talking to itself. This may cause some operating systems such as Windows to crash or lock up. Gaining access through source routing. Hackers may be able to break through other friendly but less secure networks and get access to your network using this method. Man-in-middle attack. And in this we come across session hijacking. An attacker may watch a session open on a network. Once authentication is complete, they may attack the client computer to disable it and use IP spoofing to claim to be the client who was just authenticated and steal the session. This attack can be prevented if the two legitimate systems share a secret which is checked periodically during the session. And server spoofing. And it is a utility be run on a Windows 95 stations to request landman in the clear authentication from the client. The attacker will run this utility while acting like the server when the user attempts to log in. If the client is tricked into sending landman authentication, the attacker can read the username and password from the network packet sent. DNS poisoning. This is an attack where DNS information is falsified. This attack can succeed under the right conditions but may not be real practical as an attack form. The attacker will send incorrect DNS information which can cause traffic to be diverted. The DNS information can be falsified since named servers do not verify the source of an DNS reply. When a DNS request is sent, an attacker can send a false DNS reply to additional bogus information which the requesting DNS server may catch. This attack can be used to divert users from a correct web server such as bank and capture information from customers when they attempt to log on. And coming to password cracking, it is used to get the password of a user or administrator on a network and gain unauthorized access. And some DOS attacks include ping broadcast, ping of death, and teardrop. And coming to ping broadcast, a ping request packet is sent to a broadcast network address where there are many hosts. The source address is shown in the packet to be the IP address of the computer to be attacked. If the router to the network passes the ping broadcast, all computers on the network will respond with the ping reply to the attacker system. The attacker system will be flooded with ping responses which can cause it to be unable to operate on the network for some time. Coming to ping of death, an oversized ICMP datagram can crash IP devices that were made before 1996. And coming to a teardrop, it is a normal packet is sent. A second packet is sent which has a fragmentation offset claiming to be inside the first fragment. The second fragment is too small and may cause unexpected error condition and is possible system crash on many operating systems. That's all for the presentation. Thank you.